Hello everyone and welcome back. We're going to have a new activity for you today outside, and this one is called tail tag. But first, let me introduce you to Lisa Castaneda.
Hi everyone.
She's my sister and also a PE teacher in our district. For tail tag, you're going to require a few pieces of equipment. You're going to need any type of rag or cloth that is long enough to cover maybe your hand to your elbow. So this would be good right about here. For tail tag, it's exactly how it sounds. We're going to attach each of these to my socially distant partner. You're going to attach one of these to the back of your shorts or pants and just tuck it in a little bit. You want most of it to be hanging down the back. The way tail tag works is we're basically going to play tag with one another, but we're going to try and pull each other's cloth. Do not place your hands or try to grab someone by their clothing or their arms or their legs or body. Your goal is to only grab the rag. So that's how we're being safe. For tail tag, we are doing this with someone that is within the home. So that is okay. You can break social distance for someone that you live with, and that's the goal. It's not something you want to play with a neighbor just yet, because we have to maintain that social distance. For our tail tag, because we have our tail right in the back, working with just one other person doesn't quite work when it's just one tail in the back. It's going to be very hard to grab. Your goal is, if you wish to do it as a single tail, as the name implies, then you're going to need 3 or more people for this one. What if you do only have just one person to play with? Well, we can change it. We're going to each have a second one. Here you are. And we're going to go ahead and, instead of placing our tails on the back, we're going to put one on each side. One here, one here. Remember, you want most of it to be hanging down. Okay, you don't want to put most of it in your shorts or pants. And now we're going to demonstrate how we play our tail tag. We're going to, again, make sure we're being safe. We're not going to put our hands on each other or on our clothing and pull or push each other. It's not wrestling. Our goal is only to pull on our cloth or rags. Okay, so to get started, we're going to make sure we get in a wide stance so we can move quickly left or right. And we're going to try and pull each other's rag or cloth off. Okay, so to demonstrate, we're going to try to grab one. I'm going to try and sneak in, and if I manage to grab one, and I pull it off, I'm going to go ahead and drop it. I don't need it anymore. Because she still has one left, we're going to continue playing. You don't stop until you lose both. So let's say we're still playing, maybe she gets one of mine, but at the same time I get hers too. So she has none, but I still have one. That makes me the winner. And then to restart, we just get our rags back on and we play again. If you like this version, but you do have more people, whoever loses steps out and the third person comes in and you can face off again. So that is our version of tail tag. Remember, you can use any type of rag. Make sure it's at least long enough for your forearm here. That way it can actually tuck into your shorts and hang down long enough to be grabbed. So I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.